Last year, Samsung did something bold. They made the Galaxy Z Fold thinner, lighter, and quietly removed the S Pen, and for a lot of people, that wasn't just a small change. That was the feature. If you're someone who actually uses a Fold the way it's meant to be used, multitasking, note-taking, sketching, signing documents, losing the S Pen felt like buying a sports car and finding out it doesn't have a steering wheel. It looked great. It felt premium. But something important was missing. Now here's where it gets interesting. Samsung has officially confirmed that the S Pen is not gone. It wasn't scrapped. It wasn't abandoned. It was a design compromise. In an interview with Woo-Jun Choi, CEO of Samsung's mobile experience division, the company made it clear that removing S Pen support from the previous Fold was a temporary trade-off to reduce thickness and weight, not a permanent goodbye. And this wasn't some random rumor floating around a forum. The report was backed by Android Authority, which means this isn't guesswork. It's coming straight from the source. The reason they pulled it? The digitizer layer, that extra layer inside the display, is what allows the S Pen to work. Remove it, and you shave off thickness. Keep it, and you keep stylus support. Last year, thinness won. But here's the twist. Samsung never stopped developing stylus tech behind the scenes. And now, everything points toward the Galaxy Z Fold 8 bringing it back, but not in the way you expect. Multiple industry reports suggest Samsung is working on a completely new stylus system built specifically for foldables. The goal? Keep the device thin without needing that traditional digitizer layer. If they pull this off, it's actually bigger than just S Pen returns. It means foldables won't have to choose between premium design and productivity anymore. And that's only half the story. Because Samsung isn't just tweaking the pen, they're rethinking the display itself. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature something called Flex Magic Pixel, a new OLED innovation first introduced with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And this isn't one of those gimmicky privacy screen protectors you slap on after buying the phone. This is built directly into the display hardware. Instead of dimming your entire screen or adding a basic filter, Flex Magic Pixel controls light emission at the pixel level. That means the display can intelligently narrow viewing angles when it detects sensitive content, keeping the screen bright and sharp for you while limiting what people around you can see. Think about that for a second. Foldables are huge. When you open one in a cafe, on a train, or in a meeting, everyone around you basically gets a free preview of whatever you're doing. Emails, bank apps, work documents, photos. That giant inner display is amazing for productivity. But it's also a privacy nightmare. Flex Magic Pixel changes that. When the Fold is fully open, the display can narrow viewing angles across the entire panel, or even just specific sections where sensitive content appears. It doesn't treat the whole screen the same way. It adapts. It controls how light exits each individual pixel, limiting side visibility while keeping the front view crisp. That's smart hardware meeting smart software. And when you combine that with the potential return of a redesigned S Pen, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 suddenly feels less like a design experiment and more like the productivity powerhouse the Fold series was always meant to be. Thin, lightweight, stylus-ready, and privacy-focused. If Samsung actually delivers on this, not just promises, but execution, the Fold 8 could fix the exact two things power users complained about most: losing the pen and feeling exposed in public. So the real question isn't whether the S Pen is coming back. It's whether the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is about to become the most complete foldable Samsung has ever made. Because if they've truly figured out how to bring back the pen without sacrificing design, and added next-gen display tech on top, this might be the first Fold that doesn't feel like a compromise. And that's when things get exciting.